Hey babes, welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Let's go. As most of you know, we're starting to see a little bit of volatility in the market as Bitcoin was not able to flip $45,000, closer to about $46,000 into support. And guess what, you guys? That is okay. Anytime you have a beautiful move up and anytime you are testing crucial resistance or support, sometimes you do get a reversal. Now, I've listed some very key areas here with this yellow little circle, and they correspond perfectly with our EMAs, and I want to go ahead and cover this for you. So we've got our EMA 9 here, and Bitcoin is currently trading at approximately $43,863. However, if we're taking a look at RSI and MACD looks like it's getting ready to bear cross, so we can expect some possible volatility incoming. Also too, taking a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is also confirming this. I would think that approximately $33,000 to $37,000 will be the bottom for this Bitcoin drop. And realistically, it's not really that bad. It is good for us to have a potential pullback. We were not going to get a straight shot all the way back up to $65,000. So next steps, some of the things that we should look for. We should have everything sorted. We should have all of our positions, all of our risk being managed. Always have a bullish and a bearish scenario for your altcoin positions. If you're just dollar cost averaging, don't worry about it. Buy the dip, do what works best for you. But honestly, I'm expecting for us to bottom out somewhere about $39,000 to approximately $37,000 here with Bitcoin. And of course, you guys, this will impact altcoins. Next, I want to talk about NFTs. NFTs are a big craze going on. And Blau actually went ahead and put a very interesting tweet. If you own one of my NFTs today, you'll get to own rights in my music, which also means you're entitled to cash flows from that music soon. You guys, I've been talking about NFTs for quite some time. NFTs are more than just some random JPEG. They are more than just some random JPEG, and guess what? They are the future. And NFTs allow artists to essentially cut out that middleman, just like Bitcoin does, just like DeFi does. It allows them to cut out the middleman and own their own rights to their music. And if you are an avid fan, you could potentially own some rights as well. And we're seeing this play out with Blau, and we're gonna start to see this play out with a lot of other musicians, entertainers, comedians, whoever it is, and even writers. I think that this is outstanding, and do not sleep on NFTs. Just be very careful when navigating the NFT market. All right, guys, now that we're on the topic of NFTs, beyond excited to announce my partnership with Theta Labs. So with Theta Labs, you can actually go in and you can purchase NFTs. With these NFTs that are related to me, all of my proceeds, that's right, all of my proceeds are going 100% directly to the Self-Care Lab. You guys have heard me talk about the Self-Care Lab. It's my boxing gym in Pomona, California. This is the amazing owner, Miss Nita, and the Self-Care Lab helps to provide mental health services to those in the city of Pomona. Those of us that are suffering with PTSD, mental issues, depression, anxiety, bipolar, survivors, all of that stuff. She is here to help us. Now, let's go ahead and go over the options because the drop launches super soon and I'm excited. So we have an auction with private tutoring. We're offering 3 of these. So basically you're gonna go ahead and bid on this and you're gonna get a 30-minute private tutoring session with me. Or if it's not even, you don't even want to tutor, you just want to hang out with me, let's do it. It'll be fun. It's going to be all over Zoom. It's going to be awesome. You can pretty much ask me anything. Don't be creepy, don't be weird, but it's going to be a lot of fun. The next one is going to be virtual coffee, and you're going to get this cute little NFT here. So you're basically going to get about 10 minutes with me. It's going to be all over Zoom. It's going to be $50. You get a 5% discount for T Fuel, and it's going to be a really cool experience. So again, if you just want to hang out with me, go ahead and buy this. It's $50. And again, all of my proceeds go to the Self-Care Lab. Down over here, the CryptoWendyO charity badge. We're selling an unlimited amount of these for $10. Again, this is just to kind of support me. This is to support the Self-Care Lab. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend you take care of this. You bid, you come hang out with me, or if you just want to kind of buy one of these NFTs, and all the proceeds on my end are going directly to the Self-Care Lab. Now, let's get into some of the nitty-gritty drama. So Gary Gensler, however the heck you say it, he went ahead and is asking the SEC staff to develop a mandatory climate risk disclosure rule proposal for the commission's consideration by the end of the year. What in the actual F? Why is the SEC getting involved with climate control? This has nothing to do with each other. Gary, stay to the SEC, stay on protecting investors. Why are we dealing with climate control? We have a completely separate department for that, okay? Completely separate department for that. Do a little bit better and focus on this infrastructure bill, because this infrastructure bill, I want to say it's 1.2 trillion or 1.5 trillion, is going to be absolutely detrimental to the industry. So please, you guys, pay attention to these guys. They're absolute clowns, and this is really, really ridiculous. And this kind of just shows you what the overreach on power is looking like. Next. This story is so freaking dope. I'm so happy to talk about it. So Venmo enables users to automatically buy crypto with cash back rewards. Venmo is owned by PayPal. PayPal has a massive network. So PayPal-owned firm Venmo has expanded its crypto support by enabling credit card holders to convert their cashback rewards into 4 digital assets hosted on the platform. Yes, yes, yes. So one of the first things you can do is they've launched a new crypto cashback feature that includes 0 transactions on crypto purchases. Please be advised that all of these 0 transactions are going to be essentially built into the price. Voyager does it. It's fine that they do it, but I just wanted to be transparent and let you guys know. And as far as the credit card holder feature, Venmo offers its credit card holders between 1% and 3% cash back on select purchases, and the new feature also includes free transactions, which we talked about. The payments firm currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, and customers can activate the new feature by selecting the Rewards tab of the credit card home screen. Purchases can be done manually or set up automatically. DRS Senior Vice President and General Manager of Venmo. So you guys, shout out to Venmo, shout out to PayPal. Crypto is not dead, Ethereum is not dead, Bitcoin is not dead. We are here to stay. This next topic is going to be more of a reminder. So my good buddy DevChart tweeted out, I received even more airdrop random tokens today. Just a reminder for those who don't know, don't go to their site and approve anything. It will allow an unlimited spend and they can empty your wallet. So there's a lot of different scam tokens that are being sent to different Ethereum addresses. And what these companies do is they're going to go ahead, they create tokens, they're going to airdrop it to you, and you think you've got all this money, everything is fantastic. But guess what? Guess what? If you go ahead, you go to the website, you do your research, you connect your wallets, and you go ahead and approve because that's what they want you to do, they're going to go ahead and scam you and allow for a double spend. So please do not pay attention to these scam tokens. Do not connect your wallet to anything. If it's something that looks a little bit fishy and it looks like you've got airdropped like $50,000 from some random unknown, just stay away from it. Remove it from your wallet. Do not go to these websites. Be very, very careful. This next story is amazing. Lionel Messi's move to PSG includes payment in crypto. So Lionel Messi's high-profile transfer from FC Barcelona to PSG has included payment in cryptocurrency fan tokens. The fact that we're seeing more professional athletes accept crypto as payments is outstanding, and I am 100% here for it. Now, this next story is pretty funny here. The 600 million Poly Network hacker has published part 1 of a Q&A. This story is so freaking wild, you guys. When we talk about being wild, I can't even begin to tell you how wild it is. So, the Poly Network hacker, which is not, it didn't impact Matic, it didn't impact Ethereum or Bitcoin, it just impacted this particular network. Basically, this guy stole $600 million, his IP, email addresses were found out by a chain analysis company, and he has started to return some of the cryptocurrency that he stole and he hacked. Well, now he's hosting a Q&A. Why hacking? For fun. Why Poly Network? Cross-chain hacking is hot. Who the heck does this? Anyways, you guys, if you want to go ahead and read through this is absolutely hilarious. I feel still very sad for everybody who's been impacted, but at the same time, you guys, this is crypto. This is crypto, and this is so on brand for 2021. And lastly, I wanted to talk about Ethereum being deflationary. The total Ethereum that has been burned since EIP, the London upgrade last week, EIP 1559, is about 33,303.35 Ethereum. This is crazy. And this current session is about 613 Ethereum. The rewards are 1,492. Tips are 190 ETH, which I still really don't understand the tips too much. I'm going to have to get Seth from Mind Your Business back on. But anyways, you guys, I'm bullish on Ethereum. Let's check the price. Ethereum is a little bit bearish despite all of the bullish deflationary news, but it's the name of the game, you guys. Bitcoin is correcting, Ethereum is going to correct as well. I would expect a drop down to approximately $2,700. The bottom would be $2,100 if that happens. I doubt it though, because we are immensely bullish. But again, if we want to catch these small time moves, we really need to pay attention to lower time frames. And honestly, $2,700 looks more feasible than down over here at about $2,100 where support would be. Because we also have the EMA 200 about $2,500 on the 4-hour chart. So it looking like we're going to continue to get a break here and probably fall out or test around $2,700. However, the bullish scenario would be for us to sustain $3,000 and continue to climb up. I'm not 100% sure if that's going to happen. It's looking more like a bearish drop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Please participate in the Theta Labs NFT drop. Support me so I can help support the Self-Care Lab, a charity that is very, very near and dear to my heart. Wendy is out. Bye-bye.